Oh, baby. Hello?
Hello, my man.
Baby. See, I don't want to say too much words today. Are you getting me? A lot.
Okay.
Just tell me, when are you coming?
That is not a problem. I'm coming this weekend. Trust me.
You mean you are coming this weekend? Oh, you don't spoil my life.
But baby.
You said what?
Baby, I need just some change. 60,000 naira.
Look at what you say now. Is that money? Just ordinary 60,000 naira. No, come on, if you are send your house out to me now. Make a bombard the money to your account.
Alright, baby. I love you.
Baby.
Wow, this man. I can't believe we sent this. Wow. Baba, good afternoon.
Please, don't greet me. Don't greet me until you pay my balance.
Baba, I'm sorry. I'll pay your money.
How much is the money? How much is the money? You are not paying me as if I'm collecting contribution. What is that nonsense?
Okay, Baba, you know what? Let me just go and come back. I'll pay you your money. How much is 60,000 naira? I'll pay you.
You better go and come back with my balance of 60,000 naira.
I'll pay you.
It's Sydney on the beat.
Baba, thank God I met you outside. This is your balance.
You surprise me. God will bless you. See, you are a good girl. I know that I like you. I don't just know the reason why you did not understand me. See, you are so special among all my neighbor in the house. I did all my best for you to understand me, but you refused. Anyway, money is the key. And I pray the person that gave you this money, it will not lag.
Baba, leave that one. That one, you will lag to the end.
What? You are benefactor. You mean the person that gave you this money?
So just leave that one. Don't let us talk about that one. That one, you will lag to the end. Don't let the fire out.
Wait, who is that person?
Baba, you know stupid old man, one of my Facebook lovers like that. He just sent me 60K.
Can you just tell me how the person look?
I think the man looks like you.
Hey! He looks like me or I am the one?
Yes, Baba, you're the stupid old man.
Hey! The stupid Facebook lover? Sadwa, you are using my whole money to pay for my rent? You want to fire you?
Baba, thunder go fire.
God will don't you?
He said you know get sick.
You are using my whole money to pay for my whole rent. You don't go pay your money. What? So this girl has been using my whole money to pay for my house rent? Imagine that. Sandra, God will judge you.